Kourtney Kardashian loves this foundation. This foundation went viral on TikTok and I wanted to try it out for myself. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying the Basma foundation stick. Super excited about this one because I've already seen the results. I've already tried it. I'm doing a voiceover here and that's why the excitement in my voice. I usually stay away from stick foundations because they cake up on me. I have dry skin and they just don't sit well. But this foundation made my skin look better. It sits beautifully like a second layer of skin, gives you that beautiful glow and makes your skin look like a better version. So I can't wait to show you how and why. So without further delay, let's begin. First of all, can you tell a difference in my skin? I'm so proud of myself. I've changed my entire skincare routine. Let me know if you want to watch a video. How many of you remember the pigmentation around my mouth? It's almost gone. I'm so excited. I'm going to start with some skin prep and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Perfecting Primer. This is a silicone-free primer. I'm going to be using this wherever I'm going to be using the foundation. Nice thing about this primer is it's infused with vitamin C, green tea extract as well as aloe vera gel. So while it soothes your skin while you apply it because of aloe vera, it also brightens your skin because it has vitamin C. To keep my under eyes smooth and crease free, I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream. That's also going to prevent any product, whether it's a foundation or a concealer, from settling in the fine lines and creasing or caking up. And to prep my lips, I'm using the Jouer lip mask. So this is the Basma foundation stick that comes in 40 different shades with different undertones and I'm in the shade 20. This is the first time I'm applying it. Let's see how it goes. Wow, that is smooth like butter. And the shade match is fantastic. And while I'm applying it, you see how it's covering up all those little spots that I have on my face. I'm only going to apply it on my face first so we can compare it with the neck. I just want to see if it really looks just like skin and if it evens out everything. The best way to blend out a stick foundation is not with a sponge, instead with a brush. The brush that I'm using is from Real Techniques, one of my favorite brushes, and I'm going to link it down below in the description box, so do check that out. And I like to buff and dab as I blend it out, and as you can see, it's blending beautifully. It's just melting into my skin basically. And it's not tugging or pulling on my skin unlike other stick foundations that can be really thick. So it's getting done very fast. The foundation is dermatologist tested, it's hypoallergenic, it's non-irritant, it's sulfate-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. And best part is you can either do a light coverage just with single layer or you can build it up to full coverage. Now that I'm done with my face, you can see as compared to my neck, it looks so much more cleaner. So I'm going to apply it on my neck as well to even everything out. And I'm really living for that glow on my face and I think it looks absolutely stunning. While I apply it on my neck, I'm also going to apply it on my ears. Don't forget your ears because a lot of us tend to. It's attached to your face and neck, so let's make it look like it's all a part of the same body. So make sure not to forget your ears. To cover my dark circles, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer. I'm in the shade 145. I'm just applying just a tad bit around my eyes and I'm going to quickly blend it out with this concealer brush from Laura Geller. After this, I'm going to be setting with a translucent powder, but I'm going to be selective on where I want to set. It's going to be mostly around my eyes where I use the concealer because it's going to crease otherwise, and in my T-zone because that's where I sweat. And the powder that I'll be using is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. And to lock everything in, I'm going to be using a setting spray. This is the Benefit Super Setter. Because I'm going to be testing this foundation out throughout the day, I'm going to lightly finish up the rest of my face as well. Starting with the brows, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit in the shade 4. While I'm doing that, I wanted to tell you a little story about Basma Hamid, who's the founder of Basma Beauty. When Basma was just 2 years old, she sustained third-degree burns from a kitchen accident. And because of that, she had to undergo hundreds of surgeries, and that left a bright red scar on her face. I just wanted to quickly show you, just with a light touch-up, what a difference the eyebrows make. Now back to the story. When she was 17, she developed a treatment to help camouflage the scar to her skin tone. The results were amazing, and she went on to open 2 clinics to perform this procedure. That's when she started studying different skin tones, different undertones, different textures. She started working on different skin types, and that was the birth of Basma Beauty. I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. I'm using one of my drugstore favorites. This is the Essence Lash Princess. A lot of people I've seen in comments say that natural beauty is best. Why do you need to apply makeup and whatnot? My answer is simple. It just makes me feel good. I'm an artist. I love makeup. I love any kind of art, and I don't apply makeup to impress anybody else but myself. I just feel good inside out, and that's why I apply makeup. If there's something that makes you feel good or empowered or something positive and it's not harming anybody else, then why wouldn't you do it? I would. Absolutely. I love to take care of myself, and when I feel good internally, I'm just good. I'm a good person. I'm good to everybody. On my lips, I'm going to start with the lip pencil. This is Fetch by Colourpop. It's from the Such a Flirt set. And then I'm going to top it off with the Bare Minerals lip gloss in Sincerity. This is my favorite lip gloss of them all. It looks so stunning. You'll see in just a bit. It gives you that natural flush while plumping your lips. What a beautiful color this is. And here's the finished look. While you can still see the texture on my face because that's my skin, it has evened out everything. It looks beautiful, especially when someone's looking at me up close. I don't want my skin to look all caked up and like makeup. I want my skin to look like skin, but just a better version. And that's what the Basma foundation is doing. Let me pull you closer so you can see it clearly. Usually foundations for my skin tone, which I have an olive undertone, so it's usually more yellow or more pink. This is perfect. Again, if you apply one layer, it'll give you a sheer finish. A couple of layers will give you full coverage. And because it's a stick foundation, you can use deeper shades to contour, lighter shades as a concealer. And that's precisely what I'll be doing. I'll probably order different shades to contour and highlight my face. Because blending was like a dream. It blended seamlessly and melted into my skin. And if contours and highlighters can do that, then why not? This foundation has vitamin E, which, if you don't know, is readily absorbable into your skin. So that's probably one of the reasons it's not drawing attention to the dry patches and spots that I have on my face. So if you have dry skin and if you've always wanted to try a stick foundation, this might be it. And not just for dry skin, I think it looks great on any skin type. If you have oily skin, you can set your face with powder after this. It'll still melt into your skin and look beautiful. It's around 8 in the morning. I'm going to keep this on my face throughout the day. And I'm not going to be doing any touch-up, so we'll see how it performs. And I'm going to check in with you again in the evening just before I hit the bed. It's around 7:40 in the evening and I'm exhausted, as you can tell. And my face looks like this, a little shiny, especially in areas where I did not set with powder. I did not touch up throughout the day, but still, my foundation looks fantastic. It hasn't creased, it hasn't moved, but just a little shiny. Again, because I haven't set those areas with powder. It's so easy to touch up. You don't even need powder. All you need to do is blot. I just take a dry brush. It's a clean one. And I just dab it over it. And the shine goes away instantly. And I always carry blotting sheets with me, but today I just didn't want to touch up. I wanted to see if the foundation stays put and doesn't move, and it did not. And if you apply a little bit of lip gloss, or here I'm just using a Wet n Wild lip balm, and you're fresh as new. It's that easy when the foundation is this good. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so let me know in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you'd like to watch more videos like these. And do check out the description box under the video for all the products that I used, along with links to my social media in case you plan to follow me there, which I hope you would. Coming up right after this video in the end screen is an amazing playlist of all the wonderful makeup hacks I've learned over the years as a makeup artist that I'd love to share with you. So do check that out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.